The young child is painting a wall. The young child is painting a wall. Outside he flies a kite. Outside he flies a kite. The child is drawing a picture. The child is drawing a picture. At the park he swings happily. At the park he swings happily. At night he sleeps peacefully. At night he sleeps peacefully. After school he does his homework. After school he does his homework. The little child is brushing his teeth. The little child is brushing his teeth. Right now, he is cleaning his room. Right now, he is cleaning his room. Carefully, he crosses the road. Carefully, he crosses the road. The boy quickly closes the window. The boy quickly closes the window. A little boy is running in the park. A little boy is running in the park. The boy drinks milk every morning. The boy drinks milk every morning. The boy is riding a bicycle. The boy is riding a bicycle. The boy is climbing the stairs. The boy is climbing the stairs. In the room, he is reading. In the room, he is reading. Look, he is jumping. Look, he is jumping. The young boy is watching the sky. The young boy is watching the sky. The boy is carrying an umbrella.
Yes.
The boy is carrying an umbrella. The boy is sitting quietly. The boy is sitting quietly. The child is feeding the cat. The child is feeding the cat. The boy is opening his bag. The boy is opening his bag. The boy smiles brightly. The boy smiles brightly.
The child picks up the toy. The child picks up the toy.
In the kitchen, he washes his hands. In the kitchen, he washes his hands. The boy throws the ball high. The boy throws the ball high. On the bed, he is resting. On the bed, he is resting. The boy is laughing loudly. The boy is laughing loudly. A small boy is carrying a bag. A small boy is carrying a bag. A happy boy is playing with a ball. A happy boy is playing with a ball. Before bedtime, he washes his face. Before bedtime, he washes his face. Today he feels happy. Today he feels happy. Now he is eating an apple. Now he is eating an apple. He drinks a glass of milk. He drinks a glass of milk. He is going to school. He is going to school. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.